What's up, my beautiful people? D-Lo here from Rincon de Armas. Welcome back to the channel. I know you thought it. I know what you're gonna say. I know what you're gonna say. It's been a while. I'm sorry. My bad. I've been slacking. But we're back. Full effect. School's back in effect. Let's get it rocking. Today's video is gonna be on a new purchase for the wife. We've got here the RUGER LCP. You can see there all the RUGER information. So let's unbox this real quick. Right, cable lock instructions. Boom. Cable lock. Boom. We've got a 6-round magazine, so obviously it's going to be 6+1. It's come with a pinky extension. What's that? There we go. Also have a flat base plate if you have smaller hands. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Off rip. Got a RUGER sticker with both logos. You've got an opportunity to join the NRA. All right, if you haven't done so, find yourself one of these or go to the website, sign on up. Obviously, like all RUGERs, I've got a few. Manual, very important. It's black and white, but it has a bunch of features in it with pictures, as well as how to take the gun apart, right? How to put it back together. People, YNs, read these. Please read the manuals. Buy a gun, read the damn manual. What else? All right, you sign up while you register your firearm on the website, and you get 20% off. A bunch of cool things. Show you options of what you get, what you can use that on the website. This is for an old model single action RUGER Blackhawk. If you have one, I guess you can send it in or get something new out of it. Not relative to the LCP at all. You get an actual holster, I guess, pocket holster, purse holster. Really call it a holster, but if you have it, if you're gonna carry it in your pocket, it's a nice sleeve for it to have, branded with the logo right there for you guys. And then get that out of here. Oof, this thing is small. Look at that. This is the RUGER LCP. I believe it's they have a bunch of different versions of this in 9mm. They have the Max. Yeah, this one's chambered in 380 auto. Let's take that flag out, safety flag out. Boom. Chambered in 380 auto, as it says there. Nice little oil. All right, what we got here is a RUGER LCP. Chambered in 380, as I said, as I mentioned before. Black oxide slide, black oxide on the finish on the barrel. Pretty small gun, as you can see. Like that's, I can't even get 2 fingers under there. See with the magazine in there. Still got pinky space. So I bought this pistol for my wife. She's asking about something to carry. It's a little bit more discreet, and I figured Palmetto State Armory had this on sale for $159.99, under 200 bucks out the door once you get it from your local FFL. I got it shipped over to my local FFL, Back 40 Customs. Go check them out on Instagram. Hit them up for any Cerakoting or any deals with PSA. I'm pretty sure you can order it for you, or you can just order it and send it over if you're in the area. This is the LCP. I really like this. I really bought it because of the price point. Plus, my wife was asking for something smaller. She's tired of her 9. She's tired of the 40. So we got a 380. First 380 we have in the household. So ammunition is on the way because we ordered some. So this RUGER has obviously some serrations in the front. right, of the hand grip. Got the logo, we got both logos. It is pretty checkered, if you can see. That looks pretty cool. Little serrations back there as well. Obviously, you just saw me open it. Nothing in there. Has built-in iron sights, so they're milled into the slide. This is a 2.75-inch barrel. It is hammer fired. You can see there, hammers there. All right. It's pretty nice, pretty neat. Fits in the palm of your hand, if you can see. This is a nice discreet gun to have, honestly. It looks like. Haven't shot it yet. I'm pretty sure from the size, as even though it's 380, it's probably going to be a little snappy and a little getting used to for the wife. So we're going to take it out as soon as possible and get a video on that. Got a polymer lower. All right, trigger's pretty basic, but it feels pretty good. For this being a gun that's supposed to be in the pocket, the trigger actually, I do not mind all of that travel. I do not mind that at all, right? I don't mind that at all. You're gonna hear a click, maybe two, because I shot these and it has like a secondary clip. So let's hear that click. 2 clicks, right? And then it's ready to go again. So yeah, I like that on a gun that's supposed to be in your pocket, right? Obviously, it's not a Glock. Obviously, it's not a Canic where you're gonna holster it. It's not 4 inches long of a barrel. So yeah, this is a really nice gun. I'm excited for the wife to take this out and shoot this. Let me know what you guys think of that. Who has the Max? Should we get the Max? Should we get a 9mm version of the Max? Because I know they make it in 380 also, which has a higher capacity. Again, 6 rounds plus 1, so you got 7 rounds. It's 380. So yeah, there's a lot of different opinions about it, but who cares, right? It's like having 7 attack dogs on you, like 7 attack dogs biting your ass right there. So in reality, like, a gun is a gun. Go get you one, right? Yeah, so we're gonna have some fun with this. This is a really nice little pocket rocket. That's what the YN say, right? Yeah, that's what you YN say. Yeah, pocket rocket. That's what this is right here. That's what this is. Obviously, put that in a purse. My wife should be good. She can get an ankle strap for it. Might find I might just build a holster for this. I will build a holster for this that she's comfortable with. Maybe a hybrid holster, because she likes hybrid holsters anyway, so might get her one of those. But this is a nice gun. I'm excited to see how she feels with it in her hand. Obviously, there's nothing, you cannot put a light or laser on this. This is, you know, this is a last call, Hail Mary, self-defense situation, right? Or just fun for the range. Teaching our little ones how to get more proficient with pistols. Even though my oldest is already up at 9mm, he's already shooting 9mm, so decent stuff. Get that 20% off. Might get another magazine or two and get that 20% off deal. Yeah, it's a pretty cool gun, but also couldn't beat the price. It was on sale. Again, $159.99. I don't sell firearms as I'm not a registered FFL just yet, but I am a certified gunsmith. So I have some plans on probably, if my wife wants to change the color on the slide or the lower of it, anything like that, maybe we can work something out. Definitely going to make her a holster for it. This is a really nice gun. It just feels nice. It looks nice. It's really small. It's really pretty. Can't complain about it. Ruger LCP. Can't beat that. Yeah, I like that trigger pull. For what it is, I like that trigger pull for what this gun's purpose is going to be. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Find you a gun and get you a gun. All right. Happy shooting, guys. Peace.